Hello back, students of STEM education of grade 10 in computer science. Now we listen in this video about HTML questions and answers. These questions I collected from the famous and important website of teaching computer science, 3wschools.com. I'm happy to hear comments and questions through email and through the description in the YouTube channel down. Keep in contact with me to get the benefits. The first question, what does HTML stand for? So it's a very and easy question. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay. The next question in HTML, who is making the web standards? It's the World Wide Web Consortium. Okay? It's not Microsoft, it's not Mozilla, it's not Google. These are companies. But the World Wide Web Consortium, it's a big organization, and it's who making the web standards. Question number 71. Choose the correct HTML for the largest heading. The largest heading is H1 and the smallest one is H6. Okay? Okay. Question 72. What is the correct HTML element for inserting a line break? BR. Yes. BR. B for book, R. Okay? It's not break, not LB. BR. Okay? It's for break, makes new line for the next content. Okay? And don't forget, we are in question 72. While it's this third or fourth question in HTML. Why it's 72? Because we recalled before 3 videos. One video about SketchUp, and the second was about the computer network, and the third was about flowcharts, and there is other questions for the numbering systems. So this is the question number 72 in HTML. The next one, what is the correct HTML for adding background color? Let's see. It's body BG equals yellow and yellow in double quotations. Okay, this is the correct one. But no, sorry, the correct one is the third one, which is using the style. Style equals background dash color 2 column yellow. This false, the first one was false. Okay, if you need to use it, you have to use the background attribute. Okay, not BG attribute. Okay. Okay. Question number 74. Choose the correct HTML element to define emphasize text. EM tag. Next one. What's the correct HTML for creating a hyperlink? We use anchor tag, which starts with A, and then the attribute href, and the attribute href equals the link inside the double quotations. Okay, it's clear. We use A as a bare tag, not a single tag. So we use A as a bare tag, and the attribute href, not URL, not name. Okay. The next question. Which character is used to indicate an end tag? Slash. Yes, slash for ending tag. The next one. How can you open a link in a new tab browser window? We use the target and the target attribute. Inside it we write underscore blank. So the URL will be opened in a new window, and the first window is operating. So I will have two windows, the home or the essential window and the branched or the open new open a window with the target attribute. Inside it I write underscore blank. Okay, sorry, this mistake, we delay some seconds. We are here. The next question, which of these elements are all table elements? Yes, table TRTD. T4 is not element, and TT is not element of table elements, and body is not element of table elements. Okay. Question number 79. Inline elements are normally displayed without starting a new line. True. How can you make a numbered list? Ordered list. Ordered list يبقى دي numbered. OL. استخدم ال OL tag. Okay. Unordered list اللي هي ال UL. It uses unnumbered list. Numbered list OL. Ordered list OL. How can you make bulleted list using unordered list اللي هي ال UL. So UL tag for bulleted list or unnumbered list. Okay. The next one. What is the correct HTML for making a checkbox? This is in forms and we take this in the class. Input type checkbox. يبقى في الانبوت التايب attribute will equal checkbox. Next question. What is the correct HTML for making a text input field? التايب هيبقى ايه؟ text. text. في الانبوت التايب هيبقى ايه؟ text. type equals text. Okay. Next one. What is the correct HTML for inserting an image? We use the tag img which is image and the attribute inside it source اللي هو ايه؟ src. and the src equals الimage name دوت الاكستنشن بتاعها. Okay. The next one. What is the correct HTML for inserting a background image? We use also the style which is related to CSS. Style equals background dash image column where URL equals the background image name. Okay. All inserted in double quotation because it's in line, not internal CSS and not external CSS. It's in line. So style attribute equals the property which is the background dash image. Question 86 in HTML. An iframe is used to display a web page within a web page. Yes, true. True. The next one, HTML comments starts with true. less than ampersand dash dash والتكست بتاعي وداش داش وجريتر than sign. The next one, which HTML element defines the title of a document? Title tag, it's inserted in the head part. The next one, which HTML attribute specifies an alternate text for an image? Alt. It's alt attribute. Alt attribute. Okay, it's alt attribute for alternate text for an image. To move the mouse on the image, you see the name or the text inserted in the alt attribute. Which HTML element is used to specify a footer for a document or a section? The footer tag. Sure, the footer tag. We specify a footer, we use footer tag. The next one, what is the correct HTML element for playing video files? Video, yes, video. And if we like to play audio, we use the tag audio, okay? And also all these are related to HTML5 version 5. The next one, what's the correct HTML for playing audio files? Yes, it's audio tag. The next one, the HTML global attribute contentable used to which one of these ones? Is it for specify whether the content of an element should be editable or not? Yes, it's clear. And not for the next one, which is retain the position of the first found occurrence of content inside a string, update content from the server, or specify the context. It's the first one. They specify whether the content of an element should be editable or not. The next one, in HTML, on blur and on focus are event attributes. It's happened according to some event, okay, which is on blur or on focus. It's not HTML elements, not style attributes. Style attributes means related to CSS, but it events attributes, okay. The next one, graphics defined by SVG is in which format? Yes, it's in XML. And XML, it's a language like HTML, but it's extended markup language, extended, and it's used famously in mobile applications. In creating mobile applications, we use XML for layout and Java for programming, and we use famous Firebase as a database for the mobile application. The next one, HTML canvas element is used to draw graphics. Canvas is used for drawing graphics, okay. The next one question, in HTML, which attribute is used to specify that an input field must be filled out? And this is very good for the validation. It's required attribute. We use it's very important in using it in the forms, and we take the form the part of forms, like to collect some data in the form and send it back to the background, the back end, the database. It's especially in the dynamic web base using PHP and databases, MySQL databases. Okay, we use forms to collect data from the visitors, and also we can send this data to the by email. Okay, so it's very important to use required and required texts which you need. The visitor must input the data. Okay, required. Which HTML element defines a navigation link? Nav. Navigation links, which is a side. Use it. You put it in a nav tag. In HTML, what does the aside element define? Content aside from the page content. الاسايد اللي هو على جنب. Which HTML element is used to specify a header for a document or a section? Header. Like a footer in the bottom, the header in the up. This to separate your section in the body, header, and the content, and the footer. Okay. With my best wishes and a great future, I hope you see you in the next video about CSS revision, questions and answer in CSS. If you like the video, don't forget to distribute it and share it with your colleagues, and write your comments down. Send me back emails to be in contact with you through online educating as part of the blended education for computer science. Don't forget to subscribe in the channel and support this channel. Okay, thanks for listening.